So it's our fault.
No, not at all. It's my fault.
All right. So why are you acting as though it's our fault? Saying that you need help when I've offered you help.
Because I was supposed to be in custody and y'all let me out.
We let her out of custody and then you go use drugs or whatever you
I
did.
didn't use no drugs when I got out.
So what have you done? Nothing. So probation, why should I be following this? She has a calling 2022 CR 7775, State of Texas versus Jules Regine Alonzo. All right, are you the same Jules Alonzo who was placed on community supervision and cause number 2022 CR 7775 for the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced on March 27, 2023 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Jules Regine Alonzo, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April and May of 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It's true.
State?
Oh, Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 months in the state jail facility?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you deny the motion, continue the defendant, and alternate amend her conditions for SATIP, followed by aftercare, as recommended by the jail TAP, and that she stay in custody, waiting for a spot in SATIP, Judge.
All right. So what has she done while on probation?
Not a lot, Judge.
Have you done anything?
No, ma'am.
All
But
right.
I
So
do need help.
I'm sorry.
But I do need help.
Well, why didn't raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Look along.
All right. So actually, this is incorrect. According to this paperwork, it says the punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility. But according to the judgment, the terms of the plea bargain was 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years. But you say you need help?
Yes, sir.
Well, why didn't you ask for that before?
Because last time I was pregnant and you offered a year state jail or 4 years probation, I didn't want to have my baby in jail.
All right. So it is actually, her underlying is 2 years in the state jail facility and not 6 months in the state jail facility. So where is your child?
She's with my mom.
And so you had your child. Was your child born positive for anything? Mm-hmm. And I see where I referred you to felony drug court. I did a referral to Esperanza court. So why are you just now saying that you need help when I've offered you help?
Because I was supposed to be in custody and y'all let me out.
So we let her out of custody and then you go use drugs or whatever you did.
I didn't use no drugs when I got out.
Well, you didn't report. So it's our fault.
No, not at all. It's my fault.
All right. So why are you acting as though it's our fault?
I'm not saying it's your fault, Your Honor, at all.
I mean, well, you just said, well, y'all let me out.
Yeah, but I got scared. I got scared because y'all let me out and I wasn't supposed to be let out.
Yeah. And instead of you coming back to the court, you just off in the free world, not reporting, not doing anything. And now you come to me and you want mercy from the court. I still don't understand why I should follow your proposed agreement. She has done nothing. What have you done?
Be with my kids.
You shouldn't have even been with your children, because here's the thing. You haven't done anything. This is what I ordered: intensive parenting classes. Have you started parenting classes?
No.
I ordered felony drug court. I ordered Esperanza court. Have you reported to the UA hotline?
No.
Did you have employment?
No.
So you've done nothing. And somebody is allowing you to live with them, obviously, without employment. So what have you done? Nothing. So probation, why should I be following this? She hasn't done anything.
Your Honor, I don't show on my records that the felony drug court or the Esperanza court was to be done in custody. It doesn't state that on my records now.
Mm-hmm.
That is quite possible. I would say let's give her a chance to get evaluated in custody
Mhm.
and then see what their recommendations are. That's all.
Yeah, she's saying she wants help, Judge. I think that's the state's what we're trying to do, Judge.
All right.
Your Honor, if I may add something
Yes.
as well. I obviously wasn't counsel on the first go around, but my understanding, speaking with Ms. Alonzo, is her primary reason for not accepting time the first time around was the birth of her child. She's since given birth to that child, has been taking care of that child, finally recognizes that she needs help, albeit it sounds like, and my apologies on her behalf for making it seem like she was blaming the court. I don't think that was her intention. I do think she is wanting and seeking help at this time. One of the other offers was 18 months in jail, but she chose the option of, she told me specifically that she wanted help and assistance now. I
Okay.
thought this was the way for her.
I would like to know how she's taking care of a child. Obviously, she has a drug problem. And she's trying to tell me that she hasn't been using drugs since she's been missing. I don't think that's true. She's not working, so she hasn't been financially supporting her child. And since she's using drugs, she hasn't been mentally there for her child. And your mom, or who is the person who has custody of your child? Your mom?
Yes.
And your mom is allowing you to live with her.
Yes.
What's your mother's name?
Viola.
I'm sorry?
Viola.
Viola what?
Vidal.
Vidal? Is that Vidal? All right, I'll deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions. It's going to be to a referral to felony drug court in custody. And if she's not accepted, then she's going to safety. And that's in custody. And she is not allowed to reside with Viola Vidal. And there's to be no contact with minors until further notice. Is there anything else?
Oh, Your Honor.
Anything
No.
else? Anything else you need? Probation?
Clarification, the license has contact the client.
No contact, because I can tell you right now, Child Protective Services is involved and they don't know what's going on.
Well, all my cases are closed.
Well, I can't believe Child Protective Services closing your cases and you're still, yeah. See, this is what ends up happening with Child Protective Services cases. You have sometimes people will agree to terminate their rights, sign their rights over to their parents, but in all actuality, they're still the parent of the child because they're living there and their moms just stepped up and did it because otherwise the baby was going to be with some unknown person. So yes, no contact with minors until I say it's okay for minors. And if you want to end up having contact with minors, you had better start doing your parenting classes and doing all of that, because on the CPS side, sounds to me, you took the easy way out. Let me have these babies. Let me sign my rights over to my mom. And guess what? I don't have to do your parenting classes. I don't have to worry about drug testing. And my mom is going to let me have my children back. Not here, not today. So that's the court's ruling. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, we can go off the record. Here's in this court, and I know I've told you this before, in order to be successful, you need to stay in contact, successful. If there's an issue, let us know. If probation, you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand? Yes or no?